Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 17th of December 2021, where in just a few minutes I'll tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Michael Thompson. The S&P ASX 200 closed pretty flat today, up just 0.1% to 7,304 points. It ends the week down about 0.7%. Some of the best performers today were the gold miners. Northern Star Resources climbed 5.6%, Evolution Mining was up 4.2%, and market leader Newcrest share price closed up 3.7%, followed an increase in the price of gold to around $1,805 an ounce. The banks also had a pretty reasonable day, led by Commonwealth Bank, which was up 2.4%. NAB, Westpac and ANZ all closed up slightly as well. A lot of the losses today came from the tech stocks, with the sector down almost 4%. Buy Now, Pay Later group Zip Co wasn't commenting on speculation it was considering a merger with locally listed US rival Sezzle. Both companies hit year lows on concerns the Buy Now, Pay Later industry may face tougher regulation in the US. US regulator, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, issued a series of orders to 5 US players, including Zip Co, Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna and PayPal. It's worried about accumulating debt, regulatory arbitrage and data harvesting in a consumer credit market that's already quickly changing with technology. By the end of trading today, Afterpay was off 7.6% and Zip Co was down 6.1%. Shares in Sezzle, the other operator that I mentioned which sits outside the top 200, plunged 9.9%. Not a good day at all for the sector. The worst performer on the S&P ASX 200 today was online property group Domain, down 8.5%. Magellan Financial Group has requested a trading halt until Monday because of, and I quote, the termination of a material contract. The Australian Financial Review is reporting that material contract is believed to be an $18.6 billion mandate from a UK-listed wealth manager. Magellan currently has around $115 billion in funds under management and has been subject to a lot of attention lately due to concerns over underperformance and then the departure of its chief executive. Toll road group Transurban has flagged a total of $3.4 billion in extra costs for the development of the Westgate Tunnel in Melbourne, with its share to be $1.7 billion and the Victorian government picking up the other $1.7 billion. Transurban's share price closed down 1% today. Away from the market, New South Wales recorded 2,213 cases of COVID today, a new record since the beginning of the pandemic. Victoria recorded 1,520 cases, and there were 64 new cases in South Australia. Queensland became the first state to start reinstating restrictions, mandating masks in certain circumstances. Recapping Wall Street briefly, after yesterday's jump, the market came way back, led by the tech stocks. In fact, the Nasdaq closed down 2.5%, with Tesla leading the slide, falling 5%. Just briefly, the Aussie dollar is trading at 71.7 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 17th of December 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me and Sean Aylmer tomorrow morning for the Weekend Fast Five by Fear and Greed. I'm Michael Thompson. Enjoy your evening.